Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, OfficeCLI, the first Office suite purpose-built for AI agents. This powerful open source tool allows AI to read, edit, and automate Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files without any Office installation required. It's a game changer for building autonomous agents that can handle complex document workflows, all from a single binary. An AI can write an essay, sure, but can it build the PowerPoint deck to go with it? The real challenge isn't just generating text, it's controlling the layout and the style. A new project is asking a different question. What if we gave AI agents eyes to see the documents they're building? That's the big idea behind OfficeCLI from iOfficeAI. It's a command line tool that lets AI agents automate Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files, and it's delivered as a single binary, so you don't even need Office installed. The project has really taken off, with over 18,380 stars on GitHub, and more than 730 of those were added in just the last day. That kind of rapid growth shows that developers are clearly looking for a solution like this. So what exactly is the problem OfficeCLI is solving? It's the difficulty of managing Office documents in headless environments, think Docker containers. In the past, developers had to use format-specific libraries. This meant writing dozens of lines of code for even simple tasks. That approach wasn't just clunky, it was blind. An AI agent could add some text, but it had no idea if that text was overflowing a box or clashing with an image. OfficeCLI's approach is different. It simplifies these jobs into single-line commands. And, most importantly, it creates a feedback loop. Render the document, look at it, and then fix it. The design philosophy behind OfficeCLI is all about creating a self-contained layer over the complex OpenXML format. It's written in C number and packaged into one single binary that can run anywhere. The architecture is layered, so users can start with simple commands and only go deeper into raw XML manipulation if they really need to. There are two technical details here that are especially impressive. The first is its built-in, high-fidelity rendering engine. This engine can translate a document structure into an HTML file or a PNG image. That gives the AI agent crucial visual feedback. It's like giving a sculptor the ability to feel their work as they create, instead of just carving in the dark. The second key feature is its resident mode. This mode uses named pipes for communication between processes. It keeps a document loaded in memory for a whole series of operations, which dramatically cuts down on the startup time for each command. Think of it like a chef who keeps all their ingredients on the counter, instead of running to the pantry for every single one. This mix of visual feedback and high-performance interaction is what makes OfficeCLI a true automation platform. So, who's actually using this? It's mainly for AI developers and back-end engineers. For example, you could build an AI assistant that takes a simple prompt and generates a complete PowerPoint deck from scratch. Or, imagine a back-end system that automatically fills out a Word invoice template using JSON data. It's also a great fit for automated testing and deployment workflows, what we call CI, CD pipelines. You could use it to batch update a company logo across hundreds of documents at once. Because the project focuses on single command installation and a simple syntax, it makes these powerful automation scenarios much more accessible to everyone. The community feedback has been really positive for the most part. People love the single binary zero dependency model because it solves huge deployment headaches. But there are some valid technical concerns being raised. Since it's a fast-moving project, the risk of breaking changes is very real. Others have pointed out that its live preview feature opens up an unauthenticated local web server. That's something that requires careful thought, especially in security-sensitive environments. But despite its innovative approach, OfficeCLI does face some big challenges. The OpenXML standard is absolutely massive. Trying to achieve perfect compatibility with Microsoft Office is a monumental maintenance task. And for extremely large files, its C-number engine might not be as performant as native Office applications. On top of that, By creating its own powerful but proprietary command syntax, there's a risk. Projects that rely heavily on it could find themselves locked into its ecosystem, making their automation scripts less portable. Ultimately, the real value of OfficeCLI is its holistic approach. This isn't just another library. It's a complete toolkit. It gives automated systems the ability to both manipulate and visually perceive the documents they're working on. It standardizes a critical piece of the AI workflow, and in doing so, makes robust, end-to-end document automation a reality.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.